In just 60 seconds, I will show you how to turn normal text into a smooth animation using Alight Motion. Let's go. First, open Alight Motion and tap the text button. Type in your text, then pick a font and color that fit your style. Adjust the placement with move and transform so your text is positioned perfectly. Next, head to Effects, search for Text Transform and add it in the standard settings. Go into range, set your first keyframe at 0% and the second at 100%. Then open transform and choose whether you want the animation to affect words, letters and much more. In offset, increase the Y value to about 20% and drop the alpha down to -1%. For that professional smoothness, set interpolation and easing to ease in 100% and ease out -100%. Finally, boost overlap to 400% and your polished professional text animation is done. If you found this useful, subscribe for more advanced editing tips that can instantly make your videos stand out.